intermediate advanced tap dance warm-up. That's what we're going to do. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com. All you have to do is follow along and have a good time. Let's jump in. Yeah. Toes, right toe, left toe, right toe, left toe, and faster. Alright, beautiful. That is your warm-up. Now I want to talk about some technique with a maxi forward pullback that looks and sounds like this. Right? Now if everything goes well, it looks and sounds like that. But oftentimes I'm going to hear something like this. You can hear that rhythm's kind of messed up. I'm going to show you exactly what's causing that and how to fix it along with another common problem right here. So check it out.